Tell me honestly, have fractions confused you for years? Seriously, I need you to answer me in the comments right now, okay? I want you to watch this, and in 30 seconds, you will understand fractions clearer than ever. Let's go. Fractions are parts of a whole. Look at this picture of a pizza. The smaller pieces of the pizza are the fractions or parts of the whole pizza. Got it? I hope you're getting it so far and you're understanding fractions. So remember, bigger denominator is equal to smaller pieces. Here we have a fraction, 3/4. The top number is the numerator and the bottom number is the denominator. Understood? So I have a trick for you. Whenever you're stuck, turn fractions into pictures, okay? Let's go back to the pizza photo. So guys, when you see a picture, the picture removes fear instantly because your brain sees the problem instead of panicking. So draw pictures to remove fears and panic. Great trick, huh? Most people think that simplifying is hard, but it's not. For example, just pick a number both 12 and 16 can divide by. In other words, divide the top number and the bottom number by the same number. You don't need the biggest number. Any shared number works. Remember, the top number is the numerator and the bottom number is the denominator. In this example, we will divide both 12 and 16 by the same number. Let's begin with 2. We will divide 12 by 2 and get 6. Then divide 16 by 2 and get 8. The new fraction is 6/8. We then divide 6 by 2 and get 3 and divide 8 by 2 and get 4. So we continue dividing by 2 until we arrive at the right answer. Or we could have alternatively realized that both 12 and 16 are divisible by 4 and arrive at the right answer of 3/4 much faster, like this. But no worries, if unsure, divide by small numbers like 2 or 3. Either way, it works, so don't stress, okay? So here, we can divide both 4 and 16 by any shared number that works. Here I have chosen 2 again, and if I continue dividing by 2, I should arrive at the final answer of 1/4. But next, I will also show you the shortcut, whereby I divide both the numerator and denominator by 4 to arrive at the same final answer of 1/4. So remember, if unsure, divide by small numbers like 2 or 3. Either way, it works. All right? Practice for you. What is 18/24 simplified? Divide both numbers by 6. 18/6 is 3. And 24/6 is 4. So here, you should end up with 3/4 as the final answer. Look at that. You now understand fractions. Next video, we are going to add them in 60 seconds. Excellent.